Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a really easy and delicious recipe, street tacos. Easy peasy. It's something that you can easily make on any weeknight. Our kids are going back to school soon, if not already, and this is a quick, easy meal you can cook up for your family any night of the week, and it's easy, it's very little prep, and it's absolutely delicious. We have about 2 pounds of flank steak, which will be the main part of the meal. And then you want to get about a cup of fresh cilantro, which is going to be for your garnish. And for the marinade, let's talk about the marinade. The marinade consists of about a tablespoon of cumin, about a tablespoon of hot chili powder, and you have about 4 cloves of garlic. Mine's a little bit brown, as you can see, because it's organic, and the organic, even though you keep it refrigerated, it's still fine. It tends to turn a little bit of a darker color. It doesn't stay really white, but trust me, it's delicious once you get it all blended in together. And I have about a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. And so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna make my marinade, because this meat has to marinate for about anywhere. I like to marinate my meat for 4 hours, and then I'm gonna throw it on the grill. But you can actually marinate this overnight if you'd like, and oh, that would be so juicy and delicious when it's done. But since I have short time today, and this is a quick and easy recipe I'm showing you, we're gonna marinate for 4 hours. Let's get going on this marinade. So first what you wanna do is you wanna get all of your seasoning, and you're gonna put it in a bowl, like so. You're gonna get all this wonderful spice, all this wonderful garlic, like so. And then you're gonna get your half a cup of olive oil. Okay, you wanna get all of that in there, like so. And then you're gonna get a whisk, my trusty whisk, and you're gonna blend this all together really well. Okay, and then you're gonna put just a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. Okay, you wanna get this mixed really well. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. It's really hard to overdo pepper sometimes unless you have like an allergic reaction, which some people do, and then a little bit of salt, sea salt. Okay, and we're gonna mix this up just for a little bit. I'm gonna put my pinky in for just a little taste. Yummy. Could use just a little bit more salt. Always taste your food. Don't always assume it's gonna have just the right amount, so you wanna give it a taste. And voila, this is what your marinade's gonna look like. Okay, it's really delicious. It looks like that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is now put some of this flank steak in here, like so. I'm gonna coat it up nicely, okay? And the meat cooks really quick, so it's literally like flash. You wanna get a nice sear on your meat. So once I get out to the grill, I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna get this wrapped up, marinated for 4 hours, and then I'll see you right back here. Okay, meat's ready, grill's ready. This is the shortest part of this recipe. I have my marinated meat, and my grill is up to temperature. So let's put them on the grill. Lay it flat, because this meat likes to curl up. So let's try to keep it flat. Guys, is there such thing as smell-o-vision? I wish you could smell what I'm cooking. It smells delicious. So look at this meat. It smells so good. I'm telling you, it's the quickest part of this recipe. Anybody can do it. Okay, I got the meat right off the grill, and I have my garnish of onions, cilantro, meat, cotija cheese, and some crema. So I have my warm tortillas here. I'm gonna put a little bit of beef, like so, a little bit of onion, a little bit of cilantro. And you know what? Some people like the red chili. You can add a little bit of this on top, or you can add a little bit of the verde on top. But right now, I am so hungry, I'm just gonna go ahead and dig into this taco, and I'll let you know how it tastes. That is so good. And pouring me my Modelo. Cheers. Here's to tasting food and beer. I hope you like this video on Mexican street tacos. Simple, easy, and you can do it too.